Hey everyone, Happy New Year's! Welcome back to my channel. I'm Laquinas Tokaijah, mom, blogger, serial entrepreneur, DIYer, coach, and self-proclaimed beauty and fashion guru. Yes, you saw the thumbnail and you read the title. I confess, I am a New Year's Eve deep cleaner. And yes, my kids hate it just as much as I did when I was younger. But it has honestly become so therapeutic. There's nothing more peaceful to me than a clean, order-free, warm, and candlelit home. In today's video, you will be able to watch my family and I deep clean our home. But I'm really here to talk about setting and maintaining New Year's resolutions or SMART goals for the new year. Okay, if you were brought up even remotely similar to me, then you know the beliefs and traditions around going into the new year with a clean home and good luck meal. Every year, I set the resolution of keeping my home clean all year long and saving more money than I've ever saved. Each year, I fall short, but this year, I've came prepared. Over the past 2 years, I've learned a lot about goal setting, specifically SMART goals, which stands for specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, and timely. However, before setting any goals, I start with creating a rough draft of my vision. This method is called reverse engineering, meaning I start from envisioning the end product of my goals. What would it look like or feel like after I reach my goals? I like to close my eyes and really visualize a specific moment in time, like walking into my home after the gym and it smells of fresh baked cookies and fresh linen. The floors, walls, and counters are dust and debris free. All the beds are made, clothes folded and neatly put away, and mirrors are shining and streak free. Or like seeing my family and I horseback riding on a sunset beach while we're on a 12-day fully funded family vacation. All of our finances are aligned, we're debt-free with at least 6 months worth of expenses in our savings. Next, I would break down my vision into action steps. Here, I would ask myself, what steps do I need to take to make my goals a reality? First, I focus on being specific. Examples of statements that will help me reach my vision of my home would be like, I will purchase the sugar cookie candles from Bed Bath & Beyond, or my family and I will clean the walls every Sunday and sweep, vacuum, and mop daily. Examples of statements that will help me reach my financial vision include statements like, I will place $100 weekly into vacation fund, and Second, once I know all my action steps and have double checked that they are specific, I ask myself, how can I measure the success of these steps? And third, are these steps attainable? Questions that I ask myself are, do I have an extra $100 a week to put into savings? I can measure this by checking my weekly savings fund. Or, can I afford to purchase the candles and save $100 a week? Fourth, I check and see if my action steps are realistic. Is it realistic to sweep, vacuum, and mop daily or clean the walls each and every Sunday? Yes, in my opinion, but my kids may beg to differ. Finally, I ask, what is the time frame for these action steps? To become habits, I always give myself 6 to 8 weeks to create and maintain new habits. To me, this time frame is both long enough to adjust and make any accommodations in my life that I need to, and short enough that if I needed to reevaluate and set new action steps, I still have a lot of time to do so. Now that we have went over setting and creating goals, action steps, and vision statements, let's talk about some things that stop us from achieving our goals. First and foremost, number one is going to be not writing them down. We live in such a busy time that an idea or a thought can come to us in 1 second and leave us the next. Writing your goals down allows you to revisit and reflect on them as often as you need to. I personally write and rewrite my goals at least once a week. Yes, a bit OCD, I know, but this allows me to reevaluate my week or my day against the goals I have set for myself and allows me to realign where I may have gotten distracted or diverted. Second, you set too many goals at once in too many different areas of your life. This is personally one thing I battle with to this day. I have so many ideas and so many things I want to get done that I eventually overload myself and end up getting nothing done. Personally, I think I have undiagnosed ADHD, but that's beside the point. The point is, pick 1 to 2 areas of your life. Set goals there and action steps there and focus reaching those goals, then move on to the next. Nowadays, I break my life areas into semesters. This semester, I am focusing on family and finances. Last semester, I focused on health and fitness. Thirdly, you don't hold yourself accountable. You make excuses like, I'm too busy, I have so much on my plate, or you allow yourself to procrastinate. Sometimes, you have to tell yourself the truth. You're being lazy, you're making excuses, you're too afraid of failure, etc. This can take a little self-reflection and a little time, but it needs to be done if you plan on pushing on towards reaching your goals. Fourth, you surround yourself with people that do not promote the adoption of your new habits. It's okay that your friends and family do not have the same goals as you, but no one's comfortability is more important than you being comfortable with yourself. I personally had to separate myself from many people, not because they were bad or did not care for me, but because we did not have the same goals or outlook on life. And I would find myself trying to please them and never focusing on me and what I wanted. You don't have to always cut yourself or separate yourself from anyone. You can just share your goals with your friends and family and ask for support and allow them to rise to the occasion. However, you do have to evaluate the situation and ask yourself at any time, will any particular person prevent you from reaching your goals? Number 5 is very similar to number 4. You're placing yourself in environments that tempt you to dismiss your goals. The name of the game here is to remove and replace. You have to remove the temptations and replace them with good habits. Habits are the secret to overcoming willpower. If an environment isn't conducive or productive towards your goals in life, remove and replace, period. Lastly, you doubt yourself too much. You compare yourself to others. This is the worst habit you can have in any area of your life. Your journey isn't like anyone else's journey. No one has the same anything in life. Not even identical twins. Your experiences, genetics, setbacks, family dynamics, finances, environment, everything plays a part into you reaching your goals. Give yourself grace and remember, you've got this. Because you could envision it, you can most definitely achieve it. I realize that not everyone's goal is going to be keeping their house clean year-round or saving towards a 12-day family vacation. Most people's goals around this time is getting healthy and fit, and that's why I'm excited to announce that I have launched my new YouTube channel, Your Fitness Guide. Each week, I will upload 2 videos that guides my audience through new challenges that they may face along their health and fitness journey. I will leave the link in the description box of this video. Before I wrap this video up, I want to share with you a list of 8 books I read last year in 2023 that really helped me with becoming more disciplined, more accountable, and more devoted to reaching my goals. The first book is going to be 7 Habits of Highly Effective People by Stephen Covey. I actually read a lot of his books, so the next 2 books are going to be his. And they're going to be 2, The Leader in Me, and 3, First Things First. The 4th book is going to be Grit by Angela Duckworth. 5th is going to be Do Hard Things by Stephen Magnus and Mike Chamberlain. The sixth book is going to be Attack Your Day by Trapper and Mark Woods. The seventh book is Drive by Daniel Pink. And finally, the eighth book is Getting Things Done by David Allen. I hope this video helps you set goals and attack your New Year's resolution. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't already, please click the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so that you will be alerted of all of my upcoming videos every Monday and Wednesday before 12 a.m. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them in the comment section below. If you haven't already, go and follow me on all of my other social platforms. They will be listed in the description box below also. Once again, Happy New Year's, everyone. Thank you for watching. Stay seated and watch another video. Peace and love.